Hello, so this is a tutorial on how to receive sales tax exemption on AliExpress for your orders into the United States. I can get sales tax exemption. I haven't done it with every state yet. You have to apply for every different state, but it's a lot. You can get 45 states at least, 46, 47. And for those who also use Amazon for sales tax exemption to different states, you can actually get more states sales tax exemption, including like California, New York, on AliExpress, which is sweet. So you go to AliExpress. I think I have to sign in. Sign in with passkey. So I use my little fingerprint here. Boom. So what I had to do first, I remember, I'm not sure if everybody gets this AliExpress business when you set up an AliExpress account. This is where you need to go. If you don't have that option, you have to, I remember what I might have had to do was I had to write, use the little help thing. I don't know what that, maybe contact customer service here. And I had to write them and say, please enable me to have sales tax exemption. And then I remember them saying, wait 3 days and it will come up. And it actually did come up, which was sweet. So that I'm leaving on you, but here's the rest. So go to my business, this little business tab, and then I think you click on my business again. Yes, it's gonna bring you up AliExpress business. I've noticed this hasn't loaded the first time the past couple days. Let's reload it. Come on. Here we go, yes, you'll get this tab. You're going to scroll down over here, tax exemptions, enter the program. Now this is where it gets a tiny bit tricky. I had to figure this out. You're gonna click that. Now these are the applications that I have that are already valid, verified. I see I have about 25 states. What I've been doing is whenever I get a drop shipping order that I want AliExpress to send, I apply for 2 different states. I apply for it in the moment, and it takes about only 10 or 15 minutes for them to approve it, and then you can actually make the purchase and send it to the recipient tax-free in 15 minutes, which is sweet. But here, like I said, all right, so these are the ones I have. See, there's about 25. If you want to apply for a new one, you don't look for it here. These are the ones you already have. You go to view the list of certificates. Suppose I wanted to apply. I'm from Rhode Island. Let's see if they have Rhode Island. Yes, they do. I live in Texas now, though. So I clicked Rhode Island. I clicked resale. Search. This streamlined. That's the one where, most of them are going to be this streamlined sales and use tax agreement exemption certificate. Fill in certificate. So then you just simply fill it out. I'd put in my organization name. My industry, I've been typing in e-commerce. My address. What else do we have here? Signer, title. I'm gonna put in I'll get you to the next page. So we'll do my old address. Apartment 2. This is in Rhode Island. I lived in Rhode Island, Providence. Rhode Island. There is, I want to show you that's my current address. So it was at 02906 over there. This is my name. And then I was the owner. So I continue. All right, what I hit here is I hit resale, retail trade. Do you have a Rhode Island registration number? I do not, because my current business registration number is in Texas, where I live now. So no. Enter one of the following. So I could give my FEIN, which you hopefully maybe you have if you have a business. You could give your driver's license number, out of state number. So what I do. So then I hit find Texas here. And then again, it's not my FEIN, it's my Texas registration number. I apply that, I hit continue, and we're done. And then we'll get back to this page, I believe, where it's going to say exemption status, like being verified. And then 10 or 15 minutes if you're, I don't know if they check it or not, but in 10 or 15 minutes you become verified and you can make that purchase on AliExpress tax-free. Boom.